it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our virtual class for February 2025. With our virtual classes, there is a die requirement. So 4 dies from our brand new release can be bundled with the paper, extras, and instructions for your best value. Then in addition to that, there is a required foundation die. So that's separate purchase. And for this class, it's going to be die number 1277, the boat pop-up. Card 1 has a fishing theme. You are going to be able to customize that fisher human on the front of the card to match whoever the recipient is. Inside, we'll use the boat pop-up along with those fishing boat add-ons. And then your choice of greeting for this one is either to make it a birthday card, have a really great birthday, or there will also be a greeting in the kit that says, fishing you a happy retirement. The pattern papers on this card are from Cardabella. Card 2 is going to be a cruising card, Bon Voyage and Smooth Sailing. And then inside we're using those cruise ship add-ons with the boat pop-up to create a fun cruising themed card. So wishing you calm winds, smooth seas, and unforgettable memories. And the pattern paper for this card is from Echo Park. Okay, let's talk about kits for this class. If you go on our website, KarenBurniston.com, and you click on the Events tab, you will find a list of stores that are making kits for this class, including one in Europe. We will also make a limited number of kits and sell them on our website. So required dies are required. So you have 4 brand new dies. If you don't own any of those 4 brand new dies, you could bundle them with your paper extras and instructions. That is going to be your best value. And then your foundation die is always separate purchase. Or if you've already, got some of those required dies, maybe you found out about this class after you'd already done some shopping, you can get paper extras and instructions without the dies. But just to be clear, you do need the required dies. You need all 5 of these dies to participate in the class because the kits themselves are bulk materials. And then what you're going to do is use those required dies to prep your kits to get ready for class day. When your kit arrives, it's not going to have instructions with it. That all comes by email about 10 days before the class debut. And in that email is going to be your very detailed PDF instruction sheets as well as a link to a prep work video. And what you can do is you can prep your kit along with me. So you watch that prep work video, you've got your handouts, and you just do that at your own pace. You just have to have it done before you watch the class day premiere video. This one is a virtual class. So a virtual class means that the class day video is a pre-recorded YouTube video that premieres at a certain time. So in this case on February 22nd, 2025 at 11 a.m. Central. Now because it is pre-recorded, you really don't have to watch it right at the premiere. If you do watch it during the premiere, I will be in the chat box to answer some questions. But you can really watch that video and do your projects anytime after the premiere. With virtual classes, we do make the class day video public. So you will be able to watch that class day video even if you do not purchase a kit. But I want to be clear that all of the measurements and the prep work and those PDF handouts, that is all exclusive to kit holders. So you can watch that class day video. If you can kind of figure out your own measurements and stuff, you can certainly learn these projects. If you want to have these exact colors and all of those very detailed instructions, then you'll want to purchase a kit. And all the information about where to purchase kits is on our website under the Events tab.